I'm a millennial with a master's degree, and I went from working a job I hate and living with 3 roommates to having financial freedom and owning a home. If you're a millennial or Gen Z, then listen up, because I'm going to show you 2 simple steps to help you escape the trap that was set up for us and stop living in miserable poverty. Now, before I dive in, I want to address the fact that you have every right to feel like life is insanely expensive, you're severely underpaid, and the idea of living a comfortable life feels like a dream. Gen Z and millennials are the most educated and hardest working generations in history, but we were handed to a system designed for us to fail. We're working harder than ever for less money, the cost of living has skyrocketed, and we hold over half of the national student loan debt. No wonder you feel like there is no hope. But here's what you can do about it. 1. Learn to make more money fast. Listening to your boomer grandparent telling you to stop buying lattes is not going to make you rich, but increasing your income is. Now, I don't mean work your butt off at a job that treats you like garbage and won't give you a meaningful pay raise anyway. You either have to A. Learn high income skills and switch to a career that pays you what you're worth, or B. Start a business that makes you good money. Now, if you're thinking you can just save and invest your way to financial freedom while you're broke, it won't work. You need money to invest to see decent returns. So if you want to make money fast and live a comfortable life before you turn 65, you need to go with one of the 2 options I mentioned above. The second thing you need to do is to buy back your time. Financial freedom requires you have money and time. Now, this is why I'm not a fan of the trying to get a better paying job route. Because with a better paying job and more senior positions comes a lot more stress, anxiety, and time that you have to give to your job. You could be making $1 million a year, but if you're working 60 hours a week at a job that drains your soul, then you're still not wealthy. Now, when you start your own business, especially an online business, you have complete control over your time. Now, in the beginning, it requires a lot of work because you're building a business from scratch. But once it's set up and you automate your systems, you have something you built that actually runs itself. It frees up your time and it constantly puts more money in your pockets than you could get working at any job. This is the path to success, freedom, and the dream life you want and deserve. Now, if you want the exact framework I use to quit my 9 to 5 forever and make income with my own online business, click the link in the description below to get my entire step-by-step process for free. I want to see all of you succeed, so start making moves and go get your freedom.